Let's see what she can do.
The following contest is a triple threat match and is for the Women's Wrestling Championship. Introducing the challenger from Hope, Michigan, Brittany.
This is a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
This woman is the real deal.
And introducing the challenger from Copenhagen, Denmark, Samantha.
Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up.
And a huge opportunity for the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
Perhaps the biggest match of her career tonight. It's about more than becoming champion, it's about respect.
Here she comes.
And introducing the champion from Amsterdam in the Netherlands, the Women's Wrestling Champion, Adrian Walters.
Corey, what do you think of the champ's chances here tonight?
I love them. I'm not like everybody else, Cole. It seems like everybody's ready to write the champ's demise, but not me.
She is determined to stay atop the division. We'll see if she can do just that.
You can feel the tension here tonight. Definitely a big fight feel.
Three superstars in the ring, and here we go with our triple threat match.
Three determined superstars, I'd say. They all believe this is their match to win.
Well, I did the math, and they've each got a clean 33.3% chance of victory.
DDT!
Oh, saw it coming and got an elbow for their trouble.
Corey, that's a unique suplex. Wrist clutch suplex, perfect. Down with a suplex. Beautiful takedown. No!
Man, a little extra luster behind that kick. Ooh!
All right, she's back in, ready to go. There it is. Boom, nice. Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch! Ooh, what a forearm club. behind.
German suplex.
Triple threat matches are about as dangerous as they come. So here's my advice. Be ready to take some punishment. No one wins a triple threat without getting some bumps and bruises along the way. Just get in there and fight your heart out.
Sounds like a straightforward, effective approach to this unique type of match.
And of course, kendo sticks are always under the ring in the event of any rogue ninja attacks.
Arm wringer applied. Down for a European arm breaker.
With the reversal.
Back elbow blows that one up.
Oh, new champ. She had it scouted. Knife edge chop. Uh-oh.
Arm drag reversal.
The challenger eating up some damage. On a slam.
Big knee to the midsection.
Just pinning the arm down and then
Vicious knee drop. Caught square by the haymaker. There's a small package driver.
she was close to the end there.
Able to squeeze that shoulder out. So close. Ooh, she hit the corner hard. Waistlock applied in the corner. Check out this power. Overhead belly to belly. Good golly. Caught by surprise with that clothesline.
Taking this one back to the ring now.
Inverted suplex.
How's that for a counter?
Ooh. Got the arm. Just breaking it up at the last second. As the leg trap, fisherman suplex. Big forearm. She avoids the attack completely. Got the leg.
Bang and screw.
That'll tear your knee up. Nice takedown.
She's taking things to ringside.
Looking like the newest prospect for the Rockford Peaches out here.
Oh, what a chop.
That'll light you up. From behind, into the German.
The champ looking out of sorts.
This should come as no surprise. In a havoc-filled triple threat, you're going to take some big hits.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there. Throws her back in from ringside.
Ooh.
With the elbow.
Look at the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied.
Oh, man, spine-crushing impact. Ooh, point of the elbow counters that. Suplex.
Lives to fight another day. Taking it outside the ring now. Oh, just turn that around.
Reversals, reversals, and more reversals. Fought back with a punch to the gut.
Tossed back into the ring.
Over, nice DDT. Once again, our women's division is putting the whole industry on notice with a match like this. Reversal on top of reversal.
Impressive reversal there.
Nice takedown. Shot right to the back of the neck.
Oh, dragon suplex. She pops the shoulder up in one.
shows that this is still anybody's match at this point. In the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied. Saw that one coming, took advantage.
Got the arm, disarmor. On this trap, but she gets away.
Oh, what an uppercut. Soaring.
I think it's time to make. Here comes the setup. Double DDT. Got the arm, disarmor. It's got to be over.
This would be an amazing upset. Retains the title.
Here is your winner, and still Women's Wrestling Champion, Adrian Walters.
She successfully defends her crown.
She just made a statement with this defense. She will fight tooth and nail to keep her title around her waist.